previous video, I showed how to create an animation for a product card. If you haven't seen that video yet, make sure to check it out. The link is in the description. In this one, I'll show you how to add several cards to a landing section and make each one part of the website layout with the different images and text. First, let's duplicate our product cards component a few times. And then I'll combine 3 of them using Auto Layout with Shift A. Rename the frame, align center, and set the spacing between cards to 32. I select one of the cards to update its content. Inside the frame, I replace the image with my prepared product photos. Next, I change the title and category under the image. Here, my text doesn't quite fit, so I slightly adjust the width of the text block in the main component. That's important to remember because product name and categories can have a different length. Now let's update the product description. To do that, I uncheck Clip Content, so I can see the full text and edit it properly. Once the text is replaced, don't forget to check Clip Content again. In the third card, I have a bit more text and it doesn't beyond the frame. So to fix this, I make a few adjustments in the main component of the second state and also tweak the spacing. However, the changes didn't update everywhere. I forgot to apply them in the main component of the first state. So I adjust them directly on the third product card, but don't repeat my mistake. Always make changes to all sets of your main components. Now let's preview the animation. The arrow hover animation works perfectly, but the category text doesn't fit in one line during the card animation. That's because earlier I changed the text block width only in one state. So now I return to main component of second state and I increase the text block width there as well. Let's check again. and now everything works perfectly. If you like this video, give it a like, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll keep making more fun and useful tutorials for you.